टुडे। नमस्ते, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, बहुत सारा प्यार। आज मैं बैठा हूँ मेरे प्यारे अंकल एसपी अंकल, जिनसे मैं 2012 में मिला था। एंड वी वर नेबर्स, वी यूज्ड टू लिव टुगेदर। हम साथ रहते थे नास प्लाजा ई ब्लॉक में, और हमारा रिश्ता बहुत पुराना है, 9 साल पुराना रिश्ता है। और आज मेरे प्यारे अंकल एसपी अंकल की बर्थडे है। हैप्पी बर्थडे अंकल।
Thank you so much.
Uncle, SP Uncle is a living legend and
living
inspiration,
legend.
and inspiration for many of youth. He's 80 years young boy, and he lives alone, and he cooks for himself. He earns. He still serves the people. He goes to the different NGOs of disabled and orphanages. He visits there and try to serve and moves by himself, and he lives alone at home. और बहुत ही स्पिरिचुअल एंड बहुत ही, हमेशा मुझे ना इनकी स्माइल बड़ी इंस्पायर करती थी। मैं जब भी इनके साथ मिलता हूँ तो मैं चार्ज हो जाता हूँ, आई फील चार्ज। तो हम सबसे पहले अंकल को एक बार फिर जो है बर्थडे की मुबारक देंगे। बहुत बहुत प्यार आपका बना रहे। और अंकल से जो है ना हम आज सीक्रेट ऑफ हैप्पीनेस जानेंगे, क्योंकि अंकल को मैंने देखा है 9 साल पहले से मैं इनको जानता हूँ। हर चीज़ खुद काम करते हुए घर में, आजकल 4-8 नौकर खड़े हों, वाइफ खड़ी हो, बच्चे खड़े हो, फिर भी आप स्ट्रेस होते हैं। एंड ही लिव्स अलोन, मैनेज एवरीथिंग बाय हिमसेल्फ। पैसे से ये बैंक में जो है पहले काम करते थे, अभी रिटायर्ड हैं, पर 80 साल के यंग बंदे हैं। कभी मैंने इनके चेहरे पे उदासी नहीं देखी।
बाप रे,
हमेशा मुस्कुराते, जैसे अभी हंस रहे हैं जैसे। एंड कभी हंसते हंसते ये खो जाते हैं मज़े के ना। तो अंकल आप बताएं पहले तो मेरे व्यूअर्स को कि ये 80 साल आपके कैसे बीते हैं। How is this journey of 80 years? You got birth in 1941. I think so. Yes.
हाँ जी।
बताएं इसके बारे में, अपनी जर्नी, 80 साल की जर्नी के बारे में।
भाई 80 साल की जर्नी है तो अभी 10-15 मिनट में मैं कैसे बताऊं?
Shortly. Few essence that you feel that you should share. Even whatever language you want to use, you can use it. Either English or.
To lead a successful life doesn't mean that you have to earn a lot of money. No. To lead a successful life is to live in the hearts of other people.
In the hearts of other people. That's great. Is it audible to everyone? People are commenting?
We said make us speak.
It's okay. Screen is okay, I think.
Yeah.
Is it visible too?
People are commenting and they like.
Okay.
They are wishing
So
to
uncle is saying that secret of life is not earning too much, but living successful life. Secret is the living in the hearts of
people.
One more thing I want to ask you, that throughout the life journey, people have many servants, many people who serve them. In 80 years of age, you are serving yourself without any expectation from others. So what will you say, these expectations are very useful or hurt people, and how you manage yourself in this journey?
No. If you want to have a successful and satisfied life, you don't have to be served. You have to serve people. You have to see that through your life some people gets a smile, or some people says that thank you for coming to my help.
Thank you for coming for help. And when you go to the people in this age, 80 years of age, because in Pakistan average age is 59 or 60 years, but obviously you have crossed the average age of the Pakistani, but not of the world. Obviously one must live 100 years, wishes to live for 100 years and serve the community. So still you go to serve the people. So what is the response of people? How they get happy, I think so, by seeing you that you're serving in this age?
They wait that if I made my commitment to meet them once a week, then I have to go and see them, because they wait for me that today SP will come in the evening. And when I meet them, I see that they become so glad to see me, and that is what I want to see, that
Yeah, similarly,
Ah.
your smile treats us. No? Your smile make us feel that.
Because what is there in life? If you don't make anybody happy, you are not happy too. If you don't make anybody happy.
दैट्स
If
ग्रेट।
हाँ,
अंकल की बातों से मुझे ना एक हजरत रूमी का शेर याद आ गया कि दिल बदस्ता वर के हजे अकबरस सद हजारा काबा यक दिल बेहतरस। किसी एक इंसान का दिल जीतना जो है ना सबसे बड़ा जो है ना हज अकबर है, कहा गया है। तो बहुत बड़ी बात इन्होंने कही है। ही इज सेइंग दैट bring smile to the people and they wait for me when I go and people are waiting that SP uncle will come. And SP uncle, today's youth, even you see age of 18 years, youngsters or 20 years youngster are committing suicide and
oh,
they are in stress. So what should we do to cope up this stress situation, anxiety situation, and current situation? You know, the technology, they are entangled with many issues, many mental, physical. In this age, because of the overuse of technology, we suffer from physical ailments and also we suffer from mental illness. So
yeah,
what is difference between you see in this age and at your age? So
but
how will you, what will you suggest them?
but at when we were young, there was not much advanced technology, and mostly we used to get together many times in a week. For instance, if we sit down for our lunch or our dinner, we have to wait for other members of the family so that they may come and we will have our dinner or lunch together.
Yes.
And that was the main part, that we used to have closeness in the family. Today we see there is no closeness in the family. People of the same family will eat at 9 o'clock, some will come by 10 o'clock, some will come by 11 o'clock. This is not the family. You are not living in an hotel, you are living in a family apartment, a house, a home. So, home should be together. And one thing, as one saving goes, that a family stays together which prays together.
Trace together, stress together, and
Which
trace
prays
together.
together. If you pray together, the family stays together. But nowadays, people don't think like that. People have become just like machines.
Yeah, I think the very important thing that spiritual quotient is missing. As
Listen,
people, as you or I have find you always, you are very spiritual and connect to a person and from within. Few people are from within, like you are saying about family. Okay, there are people connecting at home. You have to eat together, but currently you are living alone. So how you manage yourself? Because nobody is there, and even you are eating, you are cooking, you are doing things, you are preparing yourself. So don't you feel alone at this age and managing yourself alone at your home? So how you
no,
manage this
no.
thing?
As if according to the daily life, my living is very simple, and
Here, camera is here. Yes.
so my living is very simple, and it doesn't affect me, and I don't see that I'm alone, because I keep my mind occupied in many things, many things. But at times when I become ill, then I think that I should have somebody along with me.
Yeah. Means when you are in illness, you at that time you feel regret that there should be someone that who should take care of mine. Otherwise, you don't feel like that because
No.
you means the mantra of happiness. I think mantra of goodness is like keeping yourself busy in good things, good works, as you have. Because you go to the different schools, different prayer meetings,
Prayer
and
meeting.
spiritual people. You're connecting to the. You haven't your own family, but you have a globalized family, spiritual families.
Yes,
So you
yes.
connect to them. Okay. So one thing more I want to ask you, as you got birth in 1940 before partition, What do you see difference in Pakistan before partition and after partition? Do you see any difference? And the very important thing, Aspi uncle belongs to Parsi community. You know that Parsi community is a founding community with Hindu community in the Karachi city. And many places, old places, school, colleges, universities, and important places of Karachi are given by the Parsi community. So Asif uncle belongs to Parsi community. That's a great thing. So how do you see your community work and Karachi situation right and now and before? How was life before, like in 1960s and now 2021? How do you see?
The 60s were the good era of mine
60 were the good era.
because we were young and Karachi was very peaceful at that time.
Yes.
There is no, what you may say, violence in Karachi that much. We used to go to the movies even at night and we would come at home without any fear. And as far as Parsi community is concerned, there were many Parsis in those days.
They shifted to Europe right now, no? I think so, different countries.
But as the time passed by, we have seen that minorities in Pakistan, they do not get much chance in any field.
Equality and respect.
So the youngsters started leaving Karachi or leaving Pakistan for their own good future. And that is how Parsi community has become a very small community in
In
Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Very small.
Very small.
About less than 2000.
Less than 2000. Previously, I think so, they were living in, I think 1 lakh or 2 lakh maybe.
Not 1 lakh, 2 lakh, but it was in good amount.
Good amount. Currently, they are less than 2000.
I've heard it is about
But
2000.
for betterment of their future.
And mostly, youngsters, they still don't want to live in Pakistan. If they get opportunities, they leave Pakistan.
Yeah, even majority, even youngsters belonging to the majority community, they even want to leave the Pakistan. So, what do you think? What are the reasons that it is happening in our country? People want to leave this country.
There are many reasons for that. Because over here, many people having good skills, good education, they don't get those type of jobs in Pakistan, especially to the minorities. And so minorities, they said that what is the use of living in this country?
Means they are, according to you, that they are not rewarded according to their talent. As much they need it and they are not getting that.
They are not getting. So people, they become disheartened over here. So they leave Pakistan. And so Parsi community has become a very small, very, very small. I think the smallest community, though it is a very old community of Pakistan.
Yeah, of course. And very peaceful and very productive community for this Pakistan. They have done many things for Pakistan. For Karachi.
Yes.
Two more questions I will ask. Again, I'm coming back towards my spiritual topic. So, one thing I want to ask that what is important in spirituality in your life? You have lived 80 years and currently you are managing everything by yourself in this age. And we are 30 and we are dependent on many things.
No, we are also dependent.
Yeah, you are also dependent on technology, bijli, gas, pani. Obviously, you need it. Basic needs are same for everybody. I am talking about mental, emotional need. Yeah, someone need to praise me, someone need to help me. You are far from that thing, and I always meet you, and you have a glowing face. You all the time smile, like now he's smiling. No? You all the time smile, and this is very very amazing. I have met very less people like that in Pakistan who always smiles without any reasons, and they're happy. So. Is this because of a spiritual connection you have or something else? So what is the importance of spirituality in your life?
I say that a man is not complete without being spiritual.
without being spiritual.
And what I gained by the mean of spiritual is I also did not know all these things until I came across Bible.
Yes.
And there I came to know many things through the life of Lord Jesus Christ. And that gave me much support
Inspiration.
in my life. How to lead a life serving other people so that your life may be satisfied.
That's great. Means you got this message of serving others, and your life will become different,
Satisfied. Yeah.
satisfied.
And you don't go after material things. Rather, you want to see that somebody's life is enhanced, it is uplifted. If you see that type of living, you say that your life is really a good life. What is there if you live for yourself only?
Yeah, this is animalish living.
No.
If you're living for yourself, this is animalish living. Yes. So last question from Uncle SP. I will love that he answers in Urdu. आखिरी सवाल हम उर्दू में करेंगे ताकि अंकल उर्दू में जवाब देंगे होपफुली. तो आजकल की यूथ जो है ना गलत चीज़ों में खुशी ढूंढ रही है. तो सीक्रेट ऑफ हैप्पीनेस क्या है? खुशी का खजाना कैसे मिलेगा? सच्ची खुशी, सेटिस्फेक्शन मिलेगी कैसे इंसान को? क्या करे वो?
सच्ची खुशी.
अकॉर्डिंग टू योर एक्सपीरियंस, क्योंकि आपका 80 साल का एक बड़ा एक्सपीरियंस है.
देखिए, सच्ची एक चीज़ मैं बताऊं आपको कि सच्ची खुशी तो इंसान को तब मिलती है जब भी वो खुदा की राह पर चलता है.
खुदा की राह पर चलता है.
खुदा की राह पहले हमें कहती है कि क्योंकि आप जुवान हो, आप यंग हो, तो पहले वो कहती है कि आपके माँ बाप का एहतराम करें, माँ बाप से प्यार करें, माँ बाप की दुआएं लें. और जब इन यूथ आप ये सब करोगे तो आपकी ज़िंदगी में बहुत फ़र्क आएगा. तो आप सिर्फ अपने माँ बाप का ही नहीं ख्याल रखोगे, मगर जो कोई भी आपसे बड़ा आपको नज़र आएगा, आप उसका भी ख्याल करोगे.
मीन्स पाथ ऑफ ट्रूथ एंड गॉड का जो दिया हुआ पाथ है उसके मुताबिक जिंदगी गुजारें, अपनी मनमानी ना करें.
ना. हम खुद सिर्फ अपना ही सोचते हैं, अपना नहीं सोचे. अपने भाई बहन का सोचे, अपने माँ बाप का सोचे, अपने पड़ोसियों का सोचे, ताकि हम अकेले नहीं रह सकते. हमें सबको साथ में रहना है.
पूरे मुल्क का और बड़ी दुनिया का सोचना. लास्ट मैसेज कोई
मैं क्या
व्यूअर्स के लिए कोई मैसेज, कुछ भी आप कहना चाह रहे हैं, हंस के कुछ भी आप कुछ कहना चाह रहे हैं?
किसी को प्यार किए बगैर अपनी जिंदगी कभी ना गुजारना. चाहे वो इंसान हो, चाहे वो जानवर हो, चाहे कुछ भी हो, अपनी जिंदगी हमेशा प्यार से भरी रखना.
बहुत अच्छा मैसेज है, बिकॉज लव के बगैर तो कुछ भी नहीं. थैंक यू सो मच व्यूअर्स. आई होप दिस will help you to enrich your life with happiness. And the experienced person, 80 years young, SP uncle with us again. Thank you uncle. ईश्वर करे आप 100 साल पूरे जिए.
अरे खुदा करे.
80 साल तो अंकल ने जी लिए हैं, 20 साल और भी जी लेंगे आई होप, क्योंकि इनके चेहरे पे जो स्माइल है मुझे यकीन है, और ये जो अभी तक सेल्फ रिलायंट है, सबसे बड़ी बात है, अपने काम सारे खुद करते हैं। कुछ वजूहत की वजह से शुरू में शादी नहीं हुई तो बस उन्होंने की नहीं, तो अकेले रहते हैं। इनके कुछ रिलेटिव्स की डेथ भी हो गई, कुछ रिलेटिव मुल्क से बाहर हैं, तो स्टिल ही इंजॉयज लाइफ वेरी मच। तो आपके साथ तो बहुत कुछ होता है, माँ बाप, रिश्तेदार, सहारे, स्कूल कॉलेज यूनिवर्सिटी, अर्निंग, जॉब्स, सब कुछ होते हुए भी हम मायूस हो जाते हैं। तो अंकल असफी को देखें, ही लिव्स अलोन, मैनेज एवरीथिंग बाय हिमसेल्फ, और अपने लिए अब नहीं जीते, अकेले होते हुए भी दूसरों के लिए जीते हैं। अभी भी ये लोगों को सर्व करने जाते हैं। सबसे बड़ा मैसेज है अंकल, हम भी ये दुआ करते हैं कि हमें भी खुदा ऐसी समझ दे कि हम भी आपकी राह पे, बुजुर्गों की जो सिखाई हुई राह है उस पर हम चल पाएँ। थैंक यू सो मच। नमस्ते व्यूअर्स।
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
थैंक यू।